Hey, what's up guys? Brandon, your unexperienced angler here. Today we're fishing at Dublin Park in Madison, Alabama. It's a pretty nice park, even though there's a lot of looks like algae to me. But you know, it's my first video on YouTube. I mainly want to do it because I like fishing. It's my main hobby other than college studying. So yeah, we're just gonna test it out. We're using a little 4-foot 6 or 8 reel, I'm not really sure. Ultralight, 4-pound line, the Ned Rig, the green pumpkin color, and yeah, we're just gonna try to catch some fish. So let's see what happens, really. There's a fish on. There's a fish on. Let's go. Fish on. Oh, it's a big one. Stay down, brother. Let's go. Let's go. No, it broke off. I'm gonna get him. Don't move, brother. Oh, I got him. Oh, yes. How do I take this out of you? You did something weird, and I don't understand. What did you do? Oh, there you go. Hey, my mans. Look at you. Don't move, brother. I'm gonna lip you. Alright, brother. Oh, my boy. My boy. Look at this. I had to get dirty to get it. The Ned Rig. My boy. Stay safe. That's number 1. Let's go. Golly. And I almost lost this rig too. Terrible. Just fishing along the docks. Wow, that's terrible, really. I need to find a place to clean my hands. So that's number 1 of the many we will catch this year, hopefully, question mark. So let's try to get back rigged. He broke me off. I think it's kind of my fault a little bit, because again, this is kind of not strong line, and yeah, trying to shoot, I don't remember what it's called, but trying, I don't know, flip them onto the boat, I think is what it's called, maybe, question. Good question, let me know in the comment section. Let's tie this knot back on and get back there, yes. So, oh, are you kidding me? Messed up, rip. There's another fish on. Let's go. Oh, it's a big one. That's a big one. Let's go. Oh, wow. Oh my, no, it broke! This is why you don't use ultralight. This is why. No, I broke the line. It's alright. Dang, that was nice. This is why you don't. I should have used a. What? My line? I should have used a lighter drag. But anyways, guys, yeah, this is the Ned Rig. The Ned Rig. I mean, you know, it's pretty easy to use. Probably have to, might make a different video on how to use it. But I mean, setting it up is pretty easy. You got this side. Don't use this side. I mean, you can use either side, but I like using this side. Well, we failed there. Don't do that. Go through the middle, hit it up right there. It's like kind of a centimeter from the beginning of right there. Come straight through, push it up, ta-da. You got yourself a fish catching machine right here. I would be upset about the line breaking. However, this happened not thousands of times. It's happened a lot. I really need to put 6-pound line on here. But it's like, I like the fight. I need to just loosen the drag a little bit, but keep that tension, I think. Don't know. I messed that up too. So that was 2 hook. It's like, what would you say? 2 a fish actually bit it, but we didn't catch them. Yeah, this looks very messy. I should really clean it up, but I got scissors in the car, but I'm lazy. Go walk too. That's how you tie it on. You guys just watched me do my tying. I'll probably do better. There. And now we're ready to go again. Dang, that was a nice one, dude. Well, anyways, let's loosen the drag a little bit. Okay, that's way too loose. I've had it way too loose where it just screwed my line up. And just keep it going, really. That was a nice one. We'll leave there. Might even have a bite. No. Wait. What's this? That's a fish on. Let's go. That's a fish on. Let's let him fight a little bit. Oh, the sardine. The sardine. My favorite. Don't move, brother. My sardine. I love these guys. Get out of here. Grow up. Send your grandpa over here. Grandpa over here. What? I know what I said. Somebody knows why this is happening. Let me know. It's fish on right there. Oh, it was. Dang, I didn't set the hook fast enough. Are you kidding me? That's annoying. Or, then again, it could have been a turtle. It might have been. These turtles are crazy. Is that it's a fish on. That's one. Get in here, bud. Get in here, bud. Get in here, bud. Get in here, bud. Stop jumping, brother. Stop. Oh, snap. Take some of this drag. Oh, my lord. See, how am I going to get you in? Because you aren't tired. Just annoying. You just like taking my line, don't you? Alright, bud, you're coming in now. You're coming right to me. Come on, bud. Get over here. Let's go. Oh, the seaweed is jank. Oh, why do you guys hook it like this? There we go. That's 3. Oh, you look messy. Don't move, bud. I don't want to lose you. You look beauty. What a beauty. That's a nice fish.